is renewed through the process of the water cycle, which takes the water of the earth and it vaporizes in the atmosphere. It comes back down when it is transformed to water by condensation to finally fall or precipitate. But the atmosphere has been contaminated because of the CO2 emissions that we produce with the use of cars and factories. And the water is also polluted because of the toxins that we have created too. This is also the cause of for rain to lower its pH and become acidic.
Few people know about the following fact. Less than 1% of the world's water is available for human consumption. 75% of that water is in the glacier, which cannot be taken easily. The other 20% is underneath the earth, which is harder to get. 4% is available in lakes and rivers, which we most of the times take. And 1% is available through the atmosphere.
Most of the water that we use to wash our hands and take baths go through a process called water treatment. The polluted water goes first through the screens, which are blades that cut solids in very tiny pieces. Then the next stage removes sand and oils, which is called sedimentation. One of the most important part is the disinfection, which in countries where drinking tap water is risky because their disinfection process is cleaning it with chlorine, which creates chlorocompounds, and they are carcinogens.
Oh, the atmosphere of Earth is a layer of gases surrounding the planet Earth that is returned by Earth's gravity. It protects us from extreme changes of temperature and it absorbs ultraviolet radiation. The atmosphere is composed mainly by 78% of nitrogen, 20% of oxygen, and small amounts of other gases. The atmosphere is composed by five layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. The troposphere is the first layer, and mass clouds and weather are found in here. In the stratosphere is the ozone layer, which absorbs most of the harmful radiation from the sun. In the mesosphere, rocks burn up. In the thermosphere, temperature is measured but by looking at the motion and speed of the gases, which are very energetic but would not affect the thermometer. Exosphere. In the exosphere is the region beyond